If you stole from your teacher, you wild.
Yo, so that's how I knew the school I worked in was wild, because teachers got robbed all the time.
Yeah.
I came in there and I used to put my shit in the locker like I was a kid. Like, niggas were like, yo, why you put your shit in the locker? I was like,
can't trust these kids. I'm like, Judge Judy, I just watch you for Judge Judy shit. I don't want.
That's it.
There's no Judge Judy fix my life.
Bro, she looked like every lunch lady ever. Like, if you ever seen your lunch lady out in the street, that's what she looked like.
Which was super confusing as a kid. You were like, yo, they don't live in the school?
Like, that's your thing?
That's
like
fucking crazy.
Yo, you got a life?
I remember I saw a teacher on the bus, and I was like to my mother, I was like, yo, look, she broke out.
Yo, should we say something?
That's crazy.
Call the cops.
That's crazy. I was like, yeah, when we leave, all the teachers get their blankets and they go to sleep in the class that they teach on.
Yeah.
They just sleep on the
They put two desks together.
Yeah.
They put two desks together and they fall asleep.
It was always confusing if it was like a snow day and like your teachers weren't able to make it to school. You was like, what? Or even more confusing if your teacher that always dressed up came to school in like boots and jeans.
Yo, you're like, yo, Mr. Isaacson.
Mr. Finkelstein owns jeans?
What the
fuck? Wow.
I had to say freak because Mr. Finkelstein's serious about bad words.
Yeah. Also, he wants us to talk in complete sentences.
And it was always the wild high-waisted mom jeans,
or
too.
the straight Wranglers.
You already know.
Yeah.
With the U. Hold that fupa in, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's it.
Shout out to my guy, Mr. Isaacson, coming through with the Grateful Dead t-shirt and the tucked-in mom jeans with the wild fupa. I respect it, because that's going to be a look.
Our fupas in? Fupas are back in?
You know what I'm saying?
Fupa's never been out.
Never been out.